Okay, guys. So, welcome to a brief recap of all of our lessons today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I think you know this already, but I'll just mention it briefly too. How we say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening in Yoruba language. Aro is morning time, Osan is afternoon, Ale is night. Okay, we also have Irole actually, which is more like evening, the early hours of the evening. When it's night time, that's when it's actually later in the evening and darker. That is Ale. Okay, so Aro, Ekaaro, that's how we greet in the Aro. In the afternoon, we say Ekaason, and in the evening, we say Ekurole. Well, in the night, we say Ekale. Okay. Yeah, that's a quick one. Yeah, don't forget the rest of them. We also have Bawuni Showadada. That's to say, how are you? I hope you are fine. Bawuni Showadada. And how we say that is our response to that actually is Muwadada. Muwadada. Yes, Muwadada is I am fine. Okay, so yeah, the other ones, Kinorukwe. Yeah, that's part of greeting and introduction to Kinorukwe. What is your name? Okay, and that is easy. Yes, Orúkọ mi ni Dara, orúkọ mi ni Darasimi, orúkọ mi ni Demelade, orúkọ ti tèmi ni Mr. Dibayo. Okay, so you put your name right in front of that sentence. Orúkọ mi ni. Orúkọ means name actually, and me is my. Okay, just in case you're wondering, why is my coming after name? Because in English it will be my first and then name second. Well, you will understand more as we continue to learn our Yoruba language. Okay, so but this is very typical of Yoruba um, sentences and Yoruba words. Every time you want to say my anything, that particular noun comes first. Okay, if you want to say my dog, for example, dog is Aja. You will now say Aja first, and then you say me later on. Okay, so if you want to say my father, father is Baba, or you first say Baba, and then you say me. Okay, so that's typically how we say things we say words in Yoruba language, just in case you're wondering why. So, orúkọ mi ni Darasimi, orúkọ mi ni Mr. Adebayo, orúkọ mi ni Demelade. That's how we introduce ourselves in Yoruba language. And moving on to the next one is action words, action words, action words. Yes, action words are ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe in Yoruba language, ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe, we call them. So yeah, so these are all the action words. Eat, jẹ, dress up, wọ aṣọ, sáré is to run, ka ìwé, it means read, wẹ̀ is bath, okay. Sleep is how we say soon in Yoruba. And rẹ́rìn, that's funny because that's how we say laugh. And fọyín is how we say brush your teeth in Yoruba. Yes. What about kọrin? Kọrin means sing. What about rìn? It means walk. What about stand in Yoruba? We say dìde. And ṣeré is to play or have fun. Yeah. We have other ones. Sọ̀rọ̀. Sọ̀rọ̀ means speak. Joko means sit. Fò, it means to jump. Jade is to go out. Yeah, there are very many others that are not here, but they are on the video that I shared with you in class. We have patewo. Patewo means to clap. Jo. Jo means dance. Pariwo. Pariwo means to shout. Pariwo or to yell. Okay, that's pariwo. We have a whole lot of many more action words, which I believe that you will have written in your notes. Okay, so That now talking about how we make um, sentences and conversations using these action words. Let's quickly go there. The first one, the simple one, is how we say I do something. Okay. For example, you want to say I run. In Yoruba, we say mo sare. Why? Because how we say I in Yoruba is mo. Mo is I. Okay. So every time you want to say I, you say mo. Okay. We say more. I think I need to change the color of this pen to white so that you can see it even more clearly. Yeah. All right. So thank you. Yeah. I is more. Okay. So you only need to add the more to your action. For example, you want to say sorry. Sorry is how we say run, right? So sorry is how we say run. And then you say mo sorry. Mosare will come to mean I run. Okay. Yeah. So we have many others here as well. We have Mosun. That's how you interpret I sleep, Mosun. Okay, so you have that. Next is I laugh. I laugh is morere. Morere. That's how we say I laugh. What about I read? Moka iwe. I read like I studied. Yeah, moka iwe. And then I sit. Mojoko. What about you want to say I clap? Well, clap is patewo. So you're going to say mo patewo. Or you want to say another thing like I I shout. Okay, you say mo pariwo. Whatever you do, all you need to do is find the meaning of that action word. Okay, once you know that, you just add it with a mo. Okay, plus verb. And there you have your simple and first sentence. Okay, using I. Now, don't forget, you can also replace the mo with another noun. For example, you can go like instead of mo, morere or mosun. Okay, you can also put another person's name instead of I. Okay, you change it and say um um John. John is a noun, isn't it? So we say John plus soon, and that will be John soon. Okay, meaning John sleeps or John slept. Yoruba words are actually tense insensitive. So, okay, that's it. John soon. What about Dara? Dara Kawe. Okay, Dara or Dara Sari. Okay, that means Dara run. Okay, and so my point is this: you can actually replace I with another depending on the information you're trying to pass across. So that is how we say that. We also have another kind of sentence that we can make, and that is when you want to say you are doing something. So it's no longer just I run. What if you want to say I am running or John is running? You include this particular word here. Well, it's a letter, but it's also a word in this context. It is as in the sound N, but you're making it really audible as a word in your sentence. Okay, so John unsare, that means John is running. Mo unsare is I am running. What about I am sleeping? Mo unsun. Mo unsun. Yeah, that's how we say that. What about I am laughing? Mo unrere. This is the deal maker. It tells you something is going on presently. Okay, so mo ń ka ìwé, that's I am reading. Mo ń jókòó, I am sitting. What about mo ń rẹ́rìn? I am laughing. What about mo ń pàtẹ́wọ́? I am clapping. Oh, mo ń pariwo, I am shouting. I'm screaming, I'm yelling. Ah, yes, mo ń. That's how we say it. Mm, do not forget, is the word. Mm, yeah. Always make it audible, like I said, always make it audible. Okay, so once you put it between your noun and an action word, it becomes that you're doing it. It's no longer that you do it, okay, but or you did it, but you are doing it. What about the last one that says you have done something? Okay, that is like I have multi Motisare, I have run. Motisun, I have slept. Moti rẹ́rìn, I have laughed. Moti kàwé, I have read my book. Moti pàtẹ́wọ́, I have clapped. Moti pariwo, I have shouted. Moti, all the moti. This is the differentiator. Ti. Multi. Every time you use that T, okay, before your verb, it shows that you have done that verb. It's done. Otishe, moti bagbe, I have forgotten. Moti jeun, I have eaten. Do you see that? So that's how we put the sentences together. Okay, so do not forget the homework, the assignment for this is that you make sense, you identify 20 um identify 20 verbs, okay, in Yoruba, and make sentences. You make 3 sentences each with them. Okay, you make 3 sentences each. You make 3 sentences with each verb. So for example, if you want to say for example, you want to use sorry, this is verb, the first verb, sorry. All right. So you tell us the meaning. It means run. Are you seeing that? And then you make the first sentence with it. Mo sorry. It means I run. And then you go to the next one. Mo sorry. It means I am running. Shuye I am running. And then mo ti sorry, which means I have I have run. I have run. Shoribe. Then you go pick another action word again. Maybe you go pick number 2 action word. You say your second action word is patewo, which means clap. Then you make sentences with them. Again, mo patewo, mo ń pàtẹ́wọ́. Okay, and mo ti pàtẹ́wọ́. Don't forget to tell us the meaning as well. Mo ti pàtẹ́wọ́. Okay. So you continue like that. You make these action words as many as 20 of them. It is very vital so that it can help us elevate our Yoruba sentences, and and vocabulary development too. So I hope to see you another time. Um, yeah, I'll see you another time. Don't forget how we say goodbye in Yoruba language is Udabo. Until another time.